Good morning, Ralston Valley. I'm Cambry, and it's time for the Season 5 premiere of the Weekly Rally.
Phew, homecoming was a blast. We've officially kicked off the school year in style, and now the leaves are changing and there's a distinct chill in the air. We've got a packed show today, so let's dive right into this week's first segment, sports.
Good morning, Ralston Valley. I'm here at Arvada West. It's September 30th, and it's the big rivalry game. And I'm here with
Riley.
So guys, how are you guys really feeling right now? What's your current mindset as a moment?
I'm pretty locked in, and I just think when I'm playing to tune out all the noise and just focus on what I'm doing and thinking.
All right. Your score prediction. How bad do you think we're gonna beat A West today? 25-12. You heard it here first, folks.
Now, let's talk about the classroom. We all think we know our teachers, but how well do we really know them? It's time for the segment that puts their knowledge to the test. Get ready for the return of Topic Twist, where we grill your favorite teachers with questions from a completely different subject.
Welcome to Topic Twist. Here with us we have
Mrs. Hamilton. I love to go snowboarding.
question 1. How old is the sun?
5 billion years old?
Very close. It's 4.6 billion.
Okay.
What series is Suzanne Collins known for?
Is it the Hunger Games?
Correct.
It took me a minute on that one.
How old is Machu Picchu?
500 years? Not even close?
580 to 600 years old.
Okay.
Last, how do you pronounce H in German?
Osh?
The correct answer is ha. Thank you for being with us today.
Okay.
Now, we shift gears for a segment that changes every single week. You never know what you're gonna get. That's right. It's time to check out the talent, the chaos, and the creativity of the variety show. Let's see what unique twist Ralston Valley has in store for us this week.
Give me some inspiration. This week, on the variety show, we're doing Quote of the Day.
I'm Lane. I'm Jackson. And for Quote of the Day, what's your If you believe you can, you're halfway there.
My name is Grayson Glass, and I'm here with
Rowan Vitz. Michaela Bomba.
And what is the Quote of the Day?
You miss 100% of the shots you don't take.
My name's Landon Watts. I'm from the variety show, and I'm with
Addie and Emily.
And what's the quote of the day?
When you're stuck in the past, you can't see the future.
And I'm here with Charlie Watson. And what is the quote of the day?
Quote of the day is, win the moment, score the next goal. Shout out Coach Andist.
All right, let's keep this competitive spirit going, but this time it's about the students. That's right, we're pulling Ralston Valley's own out of the hallways and putting their skills to the test. Get ready to cheer for your classmates, because it's time to find out who's got what it takes in Versus.
Welcome to Versus. My name is Pagan Anderson, and today I'll tell you how Versus works. We play games and give out prizes to the winners. Each week we have a new game and new contestants. If you are interested in playing, let Mr. Johnson know in room R22L3. Here's today's game. Cookie Face! Welcome to Versus. I'm here with Arlie and Bennett, and we're playing Cookie Face.
Cookie. Oh.
Well, that is stop.
Oh, she did! Okay. And our winner is Marley. But since the prize hasn't came yet, we're just gonna show you what it is. Here you go.
Before we sign off, we needed to make sure you were totally up to date on everything happening right here at the school. From club meetings to important events, it's all here. It's time for a comprehensive guide, RV A to Z.
Welcome to RV A to Z.
I'm Kian, who are we here with? Dax. Dax, did you go to homecoming?
Yeah, I did.
What was your favorite moment or part of homecoming? Probably the casino. I won AirPods there.
Who are we here with?
Towns.
What was your favorite part of homecoming?
Probably the casino. It was pretty fun. The prizes were pretty cool.
Yeah.
I didn't win the Xbox, but...
Hey, I'm Jacob. Thank you for watching RVTV, and make sure to tune in next week.
And that's a wrap. Thanks for joining us for our Season 5 premiere. We'll be back next week with more school info, fun, and competition. Until then, have a great week, Mustangs.